Now I am going to make part 6 of the dress, that is Santa's boot or shoes. Viewers, it will be made from red wool and double crochet stitches. So I have given you here measurement as per my Santa, and this is the boots of Santa. How I will make, I will tell you step by step. Now let us start. I have taken red wool and made chain 5 inches long with chain stitches. I will see it is exactly 5 inches because we have to make a strip, and that strip will be folded for the shape of it is 5 inches. So let us start. We will make double crochet stitches on the chain like this as usual, and we have to make this strip 2.5 inches long because let us see, the shoes length is 2.5 inches. I have completed the shoes strip. This was supposed to be 5 inches from here and 3 inches in length. Not exactly 3 inches but about quarter to 3 inches. So I have made it, completed it, and I want to tell you 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th row I had reduced 3 stitches here. 1 stitch, 2 stitch and 3rd stitch. I have reduced here 1, 2 and 3 because the legs of Santa are thinner from above knee portion. I'll show you. Let me show you. Legs are thinner from here and toe is heavy. So I had to reduce to give the shape to the strip. Now we will sew the strip to make the shape of shoes, and we'll pull the string from here to give toes shape. So let me complete now. I will pass the thread or wool yarn from this side and pull it, stretch it so that it will shrink and give the shape of boot. Let me complete and I'll show you. Like this we have to complete, and we'll come to this end. I'll show you after that. I have reached to the end. Now we have to pull a yarn or string from in between these crochet stitches and pull it tightly so that toe can be made. We will not cut the yarn here, but only for pulling. Cut the yarn a little bit extra. Now we'll pull the yarn, so we will pass it through the crochet stitches. See how it is done. Hold this loop in the crochet, and one stitch can also be there. Yes, after making one more stitch, close it. Now I'll pull the yarn from back side, so I have to reverse it. This is the back side of the shoes. Now we'll pass the hook. You see, you can also take the help of sweater needle, but here I am going to complete it with crochet only. Put 1 stitches gap like this. There is no gap now. You can tie a knot and close it. Cut the yarn here. Second shoe is also ready, and now I have to knit a string or lace for the shoe for tying it. Let me complete it, then I'll come to you. See, 6th part of the dress of Santa Claus is ready, that is boots or his shoes. This is the 6th part of the dress. It is complete now. Let me show you making him wear. Second boot. Shoes are also fit. Hope you have learned the method of stitching them. Now, if you like, then please share it and subscribe it so that you can get next notifications also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Wait till next video.